PrestaShop Shipping Cost by Zipcode Module Overview. Shows shipping cost based on customers' zip code before checkout. Lets customers quickly check delivery charges per area. Helps reduce cart abandonment due to unknown shipping fees. Easy admin setup for zip code-based shipping cost rules. Improves user experience and speeds up purchase decisions. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Shipping Cost by Zipcode Module on a PrestaShop store. We are here proceeding further with the installation. First, we have to click on Upload Module button. Here you will find a pop-up like this. You have to click on Select File. It redirects you to the local where you have to choose the file and upload. Once the upload is done, Module Installed message will appear, and here you will find the Configure button. You have to click on it and it will redirect you to the General Settings page. Here on the General Settings page, the first field will be known as Enable or Disable the module. If you will enable it and click on Save, it will show a message like Configuration saved successfully. That means the module is active for your store now. The next step we are having of a shipping cost by zip code. Here first, you have to create the condition, how the shipping cost of zip code is going to work. The first is you have to select the zone. Then you have to select the country. You can create the multiple zones at a time. Also, you can update the multiple zip codes. If you want to update the multiple zip codes, you can create the range from this to this, and you can click on Save. As you can see that here is a check of zip code. In Africa, we do not have 6-digit zip code, so we are not able to update the same. So here we have to choose the country which is based on Asia and accept the 6-digit code or a 5-digit. So, we have updated here like this. Now, click on Save. The field will get saved. Without any validation, it will give you a success message once the page will load completely, as you can see here. Also, you can upload the CSV file. You have to click on the Upload CSV. You will have to download the sample CSV. So, to get what content is going to be updated in the CSV file, that need to be uploaded here. Once you have done, you will upload the CSV, the sample CSV. If the CSV is correct, then it will get uploaded, and you will be able to see the listing in the zip code tab. Else, it will show the validation on this tab itself. If you click on Import, as you can see here, we are having the Europe and Germany listing. That means the data that was inserted in the CSV was correct. So now go on the front end and update. So as you can see, according to the zip code, the price of shipping will be applied to the order. If the zip code that you have mapped in the rule has been listed in the address, as you can see, then the cost that you have arranged from the default shipping is going to be applied. So in the total, you can find the zip code cost that is being applied according to the shipping. So this is how the shipping cost by zip code works on the PrestaShop store. Thank you.